Hi guys, it's review time with
Shar.
I'm so excited, guys. My package finally came in from Rainforest bowls. I'm super excited. I have been looking for something eco-friendly, wooden products that I can eat with, prepare my meals in and stuff like that. Metals, irons, and certain stuff like that. I'm not going to get into it. We can do that in another video. It changed the texture of the food, you know, like in a lot of ways. So anyway, as you can see, it came in a fragile box, but it's all beat up. We're not gonna blame them. They didn't do it. It's not their fault. They didn't deliver it, but they did package. So let's see what's inside the box. Before we open it completely, I ordered the Eco Kitchen 4-set pack, the palm leaves coconut bowl, the two-tone punch out coconut bowl, the zigzag coconut bowl, the leaf coconut bowl, and my order was over $100, so I did get free shipping, which I was excited about that. And it came with a free regular coconut bowl and one free regular bamboo straw. So with that being said, let's make sure that everything is inside the box. I will say this though, I stumbled across this company, Rainforest Bowls, through just surfing through Facebook, and the ad popped up, and I was like, you know what? This is exactly what I've been looking for. They had really good reviews. A lot of people said that they have really fast shipping, and I literally, today is Friday. I just ordered this Wednesday, on the 7th. Today is the 10th, so literally 3 days. It came super quick, so I'm excited about that. Here is my invoice, of course. Everything's listed. $120. It came with the safety instructions and everything. Like basically how to care for it, how to keep it. Before you use the bowl, wash it in water at room temperature. Not dishwasher friendly, so you hand wash it only. Do not wash with hot water or use with extreme hot foods. Don't expose your bowls to extreme heat or use in the refrigerator, oven, and microwave. So don't expose your wooden products. You know, it's basically for you to hand wash, which that's basically how I would do mine anyway. I like to take really good care of my stuff. Oh, free 2 straws. And then 4 small straws for the bamboos. Let's make sure everything's in here. It's packaged really conveniently. And these are straws, so I'm happy that they're inside of something and wasn't just, oh my God, look at that. Oh my God. Bamboo straws, guys. They're really light. Really light. Let's make sure. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a lot of straws. 10, 11. Okay, guys. Some of those straws were big. Some of them were small. So we have, wow. Look at that. We have our 2 extra straws. So these are the bamboo straws. I'm gonna make sure that I sterilize everything, clean it before I put it up, as everyone should. Okay, and then we're gonna get to the bowls. Here are the bowls. How many bowls I have? Let me see. The 4 pack. Oh my goodness, look at that. And everything is labeled. It's wrapped in the logo paper, Rainforest bowls. We have the jumbo raw set. Look at that. This is the 4 set here. open up some of the signature bowls. This is one of the coconut bowls. Look at that! Oh my God, I'm so excited. These are handmade. Really, really unique. If you're looking to replace your plastic bowls in your kitchen, your glassware, and you want to go with something over on the more natural side, look at that. And they're all labeled. This is still a part of the jumbo raw set. And a few other things I'm going to show you guys. My spoon. Because, I mean, I would go through and show you all the bowls. This is what the small, I will show you this. This is what the small bowl looks like. Just like a coconut. Like it's so unique. Okay, and then I showed you the large ones. And of course medium, they have medium. And at this point I'm looking for, I want to show you guys the leaf bowl. There it is. And then I may show you the zigzag and the, I'm in love. I'm in love. Okay. Enough of marveling. On to the next one. Because I'm actually about to make an errand run before things start to close for this evening. This one is my zigzag bowl. It gives me like an Egyptian, African, royal vibe, tribal, like OMG. OMG. OMJ. Alright, so at this point we're going to unpack it all. I bet you guys say, wow, it's a lot of those. Yeah, I ordered because I'm the type of person, like I'll go back to a website and shop again, but if I see a bunch of things that I like, especially if it's going to be free shipping, I'll go ahead and get every single thing that I possibly wanted in one order. Right. Now I'm going to show you guys the wooden spoons. I'm looking for the bowl. Here it is.
Oh no! The knot in my shirt came loose. Stay focused, guys.
Hilarious. Oh my God.
Like so. Coconut all the way, guys. This is my favorite. I wasn't sure which one was gonna be my favorite. That's why I ordered like the different ones. I'm overjoyed. I'm super excited. And then I think it's so cool how with your order they throw in complimentary ones for you too. So I got 2 extra bowls, 2 extra straws on top of the ones that I already ordered. So I really don't need anything else. Like this whole set of bowls, like they're big enough. This is the other one. This is the leaf bowl. I showed you guys that. Bowl galore. But these are, I have small, medium, and large. They don't have extra large ones as an option, but when you really think about it, you shouldn't be eating extra large portions anyway. Wow, look at that. Okay, now we're gonna open the wooden spoon. And that's gonna be last on the list. And once you can find these, I'm gonna put the link in the bio or in the link below. Make sure you click like, click share, leave me a comment. And okay, these are the wooden ones. Subscribe to my channel for my corny updates. Okay, look at that. I can serve my whole village. Look at that, guys. Who's hungry? Who wants to eat out of Char's kitchen? What's on the menu? I'm gonna have some really awesome things that I'm gonna put together for you guys, and I'm gonna do some fun stuff with these bowls because I'm really excited about them. Thanks for tuning in. I don't want to waste too much of you guys' time, but I did want to tune in and tell you guys about Rainforest bowls. They were super fast in shipping, and everything was definitely included. So yeah, you guys stay real, stay true. Make sure you shop Fly Guy LA and Color Babe Cosmetics, and I'll see you guys next time.